Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out one of the most popular lighting kits on Amazon, the Barrina 6-pack LED T5 integrated shop light. If you're looking for a bright, energy-efficient lighting solution for your garage, basement, or workspace, this one might just be perfect for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and home improvement videos. You'll find the link to the Barrina lights in the description below. The Barrina 6-pack LED T5 integrated shop light is one of the best-selling lighting solutions on Amazon, and for good reason. Designed for versatility, efficiency, and brightness, it's perfect for garages, workshops, basements, storage rooms, and even home offices. Each 4-foot LED fixture produces an impressive 2,200 lumens of light while consuming only 20 watts of power. The 6500K super bright white color temperature delivers a crisp daylight glow that enhances visibility and reduces eye strain, making it ideal for work areas or detailed projects. One of the key highlights of the Barrina T5 lights is their linkable design. You can connect up to 8 fixtures together using the provided connectors or 20-inch cables. This allows for smooth, consistent lighting across large spaces, all from a single power source. Installation is also incredibly simple. Thanks to its plug-and-play setup, you can mount the lights using the included snap joints and start using them within minutes. Built with durable aluminum and polycarbonate materials, these lights are made to last. They're also ETL listed, which ensures safety and quality standards. However, it's worth noting that they're not compatible with motion sensors, as this could reduce their lifespan. With over 25,000 positive reviews and a 4.6-star rating, the Barrina LED T5 lights have proven to be a reliable and cost-effective lighting choice. Whether you need bright lighting for your workspace or a clean, modern look for your home, this set offers outstanding value for the price.